Namaskar friends, welcome to Electronics Technology YouTube channel. Topic of Defense Technology News is EDA selects 5 loitering munition developers for operational trials in Portugal as Europe tests battlefield-ready drone technology. The European Defence Agency has selected 5 companies to advance to field trials in its Sentinel Strike Challenge for loitering munition systems. Helsing, Destinus, Astral, UA Vision and Spirit Aeronautical Systems will test their technologies in Portugal during the EU OPEX 26 campaign this autumn. The trials will take place at the Santa Margarida military training area under controlled and operationally relevant conditions. The systems will be assessed across realistic and contested scenarios designed to examine their performance through their full mission cycle. The 5 finalists were selected after the first stage of the competition attracted more than 140 expressions of interest from organizations across Europe. EDA assessed submissions against administrative, technical, and award criteria, including technological maturity, operational relevance, safety, and demonstration feasibility. Germany-based Helsing, Dutch company Destinus, Slovenia's Astral, Portugal's UA Vision, and Greece's Spirit Aeronautical Systems submitted the 5 highest-ranked proposals. Each company will receive a €30,000 Stage 1 prize before advancing to operational testing. 5 additional companies placed among the competition's top 10 entries. They are Denmark's Renegade UXS and Roboto, Germany's Cerbran Defense Systems, France's Thales LAS and Greece's Altus LSA. Each of those companies will receive a €10,000 Stage 1 prize. They will not, however, advance to the field testing phase announced by EDA. The 5 finalists will compete for a total of €1.8 million in prizes during Stage 2. Their loitering munitions will be evaluated by military users from EU member states during the OPEX 26 experimentation campaign. The assessment will examine more than whether individual technologies function as intended. Military users will compare performance, resilience under operational conditions and effectiveness throughout the mission cycle using common scenarios. EDA designed Sentinel Strike as a 2-stage competition combining technical evaluation with operational experimentation. The approach allows competing technologies to be assessed under comparable conditions rather than relying solely on written proposals. The agency said this model can provide member states with operational data on emerging technologies more quickly. It is also intended to support future decisions on capability development by exposing systems to military users before investment decisions are made. EDA stressed that selection for Stage 2 does not mean the systems are ready for acquisition or deployment. Sentinel Strike is not a procurement competition and does not guarantee defense contracts to the eventual winners. Instead, the program is intended to generate evidence that defense ministries can use when considering future loitering munition capabilities. The testing also seeks to develop broader lessons on how rapidly evolving defense technologies should be evaluated. Recent conflicts have accelerated the development and battlefield use of loitering munitions. EDA said technological changes and operational adaptations are increasingly moving faster than traditional defense development cycles. The Portugal trials will provide a common operational environment for comparing the 5 selected systems. The overall winners of the Sentinel Strike Challenge are expected to be announced in 2027. Please subscribe, like, share and press bell icon for getting notifications of Electronics Technology YouTube channel, and for searching my YouTube channel please write @ Electronics Technology 50.